Bet you didn't know kindness needs boundaries too to truly shine. Hey everyone, in a world where good and evil coexist, acts of kindness are like little beams of light, elevating society and creating balance. But here's the kicker, kindness without boundaries? It can leave you vulnerable. Think of it this way, being kind doesn't mean being a pushover. It's about discernment. Knowing when to draw the line and stand firm. Yeah, being kind is great, but having a backbone to support that kindness, that's crucial in a world that sometimes preys on the kind-hearted. And hey, I believe in a higher power watching over us, guiding and protecting us, but even divine protection calls for a bit of self-defense. You've got to stand your ground and set those boundaries. Remember, kindness isn't weakness. It's about wielding your inner strength. Sometimes you've got to be a force to be reckoned with. Face challenges head-on and show that your compassion is not to be mistaken for complacency. True kindness includes knowing when to protect yourself. It's about ensuring that your compassion is respected and never taken for granted. So go ahead, be kind, but be firm. Set those boundaries and let your kindness truly shine. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And remember, protect your kindness with boundaries. Until next time, stay strong and stay kind.